In mathematics, most of us frequently trouble with the question, why is the multiplication of two negative numbers a positive number? And if this question also arises in your mind, you are welcome in this amazing world of mathematics. So let's get the answer in very simple words with easy method. Please stay with us up to the end and do like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start with some simple things that we already know. We know that the multiplication of two positive numbers is a positive number. For example, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. That is, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Here 3 is a positive number and 2 is also a positive number. So here multiplication 6 is also a positive number. We can show this multiplication on number line easily in this way. Now the next thing. We also know that the multiplication of a positive number and a negative number is a negative number. For example, 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 6. That is, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Here 3 is a positive number, but minus 2 is a negative number. So their multiplication minus 6 is a negative number. And we can show this multiplication on number line in this way. Now before we go to the question, why is the multiplication of two negative numbers a positive number? Let's revise two main things that we have learned earlier and we already know well. The first thing is the multiplication of any number and 0 is 0. For example, 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Minus 3 multiplied by 0 is also equal to 0. And the second thing is the addition of any number and its opposite number is 0. For example, 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 3 and minus 3 are opposite numbers and their addition is 0. In the same way, minus 3 plus 3 is also equal to 0. Now we go to our main question. We take multiplication of two negative numbers. For example, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. We don't know the answer, but we have to find out. Let's do something to get the answer. We will add opposite number of minus 2 into this minus 2. It gives minus 3 multiplied by in bracket minus 2 plus 2. Here the value of minus 2 plus 2 is 0 because addition of any number and its opposite number is 0. Here minus 2 and plus 2 are opposite numbers, so their addition is 0. If we put this value, we get minus 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 because we know multiplication of any number and 0 is 0. Now placing this value in earlier equation, we get minus 3 multiplied by in bracket minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 because the value of minus 2 plus 2 is 0 and minus 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So the whole left hand side minus 3 multiplied by in bracket minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now using distributive property, we multiply both minus 2 and plus 2 in the bracket by minus 3. Then we get minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. Here again we get minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 as first part and minus 3 multiplied by 2 as second part. We already know that minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 6 because minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 6. And we can show this multiplication on number line in this way. Putting minus 6 in place of minus 3 multiplied by 2, we get minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus minus 6 is equal to 0. Now think, which number should we add to minus 6 to get 0? We must add the opposite number of minus 6, that is 6, to get 0. Thus, one and only one possible number is 6, that is positive 6. We have to add to minus 6 to get 0. So we can clearly conclude that minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 6, that is positive 6. It simply means multiplication of two negative numbers must be a positive number. And this is how it works to fulfill mathematical rules. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.